Hello, I'm John. Today we're going to talk about not only and also. It's a little bit formal, but don't worry. You can still use it. It sounds great. I use it a lot. An example to start. I like not only pizza, but also pasta. So I like both pizza and pasta. You should not only like this video, but you should also subscribe. I am not only a great teacher, but also cheap. No, wait, no. Not only does he snore, but he also sets his alarm extremely early. What does that mean? Well, he has those two qualities. He snores, he sets his alarm early. Why are we using does? All right, I call this the question structure, create any sort of question. Do you like chocolate? Does he drive a car? Have you seen? Okay, that's the question structure. If you put not only at the very beginning of the sentence, you need that same question structure for the subject and verb. Another example with not only at the very beginning. Not only does he build houses, but he also designs them. Okay, he's a builder and an architect. He designs, then he builds. Nice. Thanks for watching. You should leave a comment below. Be creative, please. Don't write me boring sentences.